Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to explain you how to apply Iqama after family arriving in Saudi Arabia. So once our family arrive in Saudi Arabia, the first and most important thing is to get health insurance of all family members and make sure you get the health insurance from same company where the sponsor of the family got his insurance. For example, if the sponsor of the family has Buba insurance, then all family members should apply for Buba insurance. This insurance you can get with the help of a border number, because since you are new in Saudi Arabia and you don't have your Iqama number, so you can get this insurance with the help of your border number. If your company provides you family benefits, then the health insurance of all your family members is your company responsibility. Otherwise, if your company does not support you, then you can get your family insurance by yourself. After health insurance, the second important thing is to do medical of your family members from government approved hospitals for Iqama. And again, if your company supports you, ask them for your family medical, and then your company will refer you to the hospital where they have contract, and in that hospital your family medical will be completely free, and you just need to provide the hospital staff a passport copy and a mobile number, and within 5 to 7 working days you will get a message on your given mobile number that medical report result has been sent successfully to the Ministry of Health. Your hospital sends directly your medical report result to Ministry of Health, so you don't need to visit hospital again for hard copies of your medical report. The third important thing is to pay online dependent fee for Iqama issuance. So be informed that there is 400 Riyal fee per month for each dependent. If you want to apply Iqama for 1 year, then the fee will be 4,800 Riyal for one Iqama. The government of Saudi Arabia also provides you fee concession for first 3 months. So which means from the date of entrance in Saudi Arabia to next 90 days, there will be no Iqama fee. So after 90 days, you have to multiply 400 Riyal by how many months you want to apply Iqama. Number 4, fill the Iqama issuance form for your family, and form filling is very simple. You can fill by yourself. Otherwise, you can get this service from an expert, and you can get these expert outside the passport office. They will charge you, I think, 20 to 30 Riyal for one form. And number 5, take Jawazat appointment. You can also visit Jawazat without appointment, but sometimes due to rush, they don't allow you to enter inside the Jawazat office. So it's better to have appointment before you go. Now the time has arrived to visit the Jawazat office, and once you arrive in Jawazat office, you have to go to the reception and tell them that you need Iqama print for your family members. Then they will refer you to the counter, and in that counter you have to provide them Iqama issuance form, and this number second, you have to provide them passport copies front page of all your family members. Number 3, you have to provide them stamped visa copies, and number 4, entry stamps and border numbers of all your family members. And after that, you don't need to provide them insurance documents and medical report documents, because they already have your data on their system. So after verifying your documents, the officer will print your Iqama, and you can make sure all the information is correct. If you have any problem with that information or the spellings are missing, you just request them to reprint the Iqama. That's it. I hear that so many people apply Iqama from Tawasul, and then they wait for Jawazat approval, and then they visit to the Jawazat office for Iqama. But honestly speaking, you don't need to do these things. You go direct to passport office, which is Jawazat, and provide them these 4 documents which I have already explained to you, and they will print your Iqama. If you like this video, do subscribe and hit the bell icons. Thanks.